Hi students, welcome to Sankalp Study Success. Right, today I am going to explain about another monosaccharide like fructose. So in biomolecules. So now we goes to explain preparation of fructose and chemical properties of fructose and its structure and its structures. Right. So we know that the molecular formula of fructose is C6H12O6. So we know that the molecular formula of glucose, fructose, mannose, galactose, all are having same molecular formula. What its formula? C6H12O6. Glucose, fructose, mannose, galactose. All are 6-membered monosaccharides. 6-membered monosaccharides. So this is containing ketone functional group. So it is a ketoexose. This is containing 6 carbons and its functional group is ketone. Ketone means C double bond O. Both side of C double bond O attached with carbon, that is said to be ketone, right? So it is a ketoexose and it is also belongs to D series. Glucose is also belongs to D series. So D, capital D is the configuration, not a dextrorotatory, levorotatory. Here capital D is the configuration, right? Absolute configuration. So it is belongs to D series and it is a levorotatory. That means fructose is naturally occurred in optically active levorotatory isomer. Optically active levorotatory isomer. So this is said to be levorotatory. That means so it's represented by small l or minus, right? So it is found in ripe fruits and honey, and it is a sweetest sugar. So which is the sweetest carbohydrate, or which is the sweetest sugar, which is the sweetest monosaccharide or sweetest carbohydrate? What is that? Fructose. Fructose is the sweetest sugar. Fructose is said to be sweetest sugar. So now we will go to explain preparation of fructose. Preparation, right? Preparation of fructose. So fructose preparation is also similar to glucose preparation. So glucose preparation and fructose preparation are both are same. What is that? Right. Sucrose. What is its formula? Sucrose. What is its formula? C12H22. C12H22O11. On hydrolysis of sucrose, hydrolysis means adding of water. So on hydrolysis of sucrose with diluted H2SO4 or HCl about right. So this is the acid hydrolysis. So this is the acid hydrolysis, that means diluted H2SO4 or HCl. H plus gives a glucose C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. So this is a D-glucose and fructose, D-fructose. Right. So on acid hydrolysis of sucrose gives a D-glucose and D-fructose. Here D-fructose is obtained in the mixer form, like D-glucose and D-fructose, right? It is the preparation. And now goes to structures. So preparation of fructose is over. Now goes to explain structure of fructose. Structure of fructose, right? Structure of fructose, right? So according to glucose, what is that? The molecular formula of glucose is found to C6H12O6 by using stoichiometry. and based on its chemical reactions, the carbonyl group, like ketone group, like the ketone group is present at second carbon, and all the 6 carbons are present in straight line manner, is similar to glucose. So according to their chemical properties, according to chemical properties of fructose, the ketone functional group is present at second carbon, so this is the first carbon, and all the carbons are present in, all the 6 carbons are present in a straight line manner, is similar to glucose. So this is the second carbon, right? And so this structure is also like this, can be written as CH2OH. So this structure can be written based on its chemical reactions. So this is the open chain structure of fructose. It is also belongs to D. Why? The structure of this fructose is similar to D-glyceraldehyde. So in the bottom CH2O is there, similar to glyceraldehyde, D-glyceraldehyde, and OH is present on right side. So this is the D series. So the configuration of fructose is D series, and it is a levorotatory can be taken as small l or minus. So this is said to be D fructose. So this is the open chain structure of D fructose. And it is fructose is also exist in 2 crystalline forms in nature. What is that? Fructose is also exist in 2 crystalline forms in nature. So that is alpha form and beta form. So now we can write alpha form, alpha D minus fructose. Similarly glucose, D, beta D minus fructose. Right. So how to write? Here this is the open chain structure of fructose. Now we can write the cyclic structure of fructose. The cyclic structure of fructose is obtained by addition of carbonyl group at second carbon and OH group of fifth carbon. This is the fifth carbon, this is sixth carbon. So here the cyclic structure. So this is the fifth carbon OH, and this is the second carbon carbonyl group. We know that the pi bond is shifted towards always I electronegative atom. This is O carrying negative, C carrying plus, and C carrying plus. So this O bond H is always shifted towards O side, I electronegative atom, right? O minus H plus. So this can be written, right? CH2OH, right? O and C, remaining carbons can be written first, CH, OH, CH2OH, and this is O and this is O, this is O minus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons, right? So this is C plus, this C carrying plus. So this C plus and this O minus, this C plus and this O minus forms a bond, right? And this is O, this O carrying minus, O minus, this H plus is attack on that O minus to form OH. So this is the one form. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . right? Now here the O is also present in our right side, either right side or left side. Both possibilities are there. Both possibilities are there. So this can be written here. The OH is present on left side. If the OH is present, if the OH can be written right side, how to write? CH2, right? CH2OH, CH2OH, OH, and COH, H, CH, OH, so CH, right, CH2 OH. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. So this is the cyclic structure. These are the cyclic structures. Here the OH group is present on right side, that is taken as alpha. Here the OH group is present in the left side, that is taken as beta. So these are the alpha D minus fructose. This is the beta D minus fructose. So these two are also isomers. Alpha D minus fructose, beta D minus fructose are also isomers, which are not enantiomers. Alpha glucose and alpha fructose and beta fructose are not enantiomers. Due to these two are not a mirror images. And not superimposable. Non-superimposable. So this is said to be enantiomers. So the two isomers like alpha form of fructose and beta form of fructose are not superimposable and not mirror image to each other. So this is said to be fructose. These two isomers are not enantiomers. So some confusion is present in the cyclic structure. Maybe these are considered as carbons, so that is wrong. So the fructose or glucose containing how many carbons? 6 carbons only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are not carbons. So that confusion can be cleared by Haworth structure. Haworth structures. Haworth structures of fructose. So these are the Haworth structures. We can write clearly a 4-pin chain structure of glucose. So its name is D minus fructose. Here minus means levorotatory, right? Now we can write Haworth structures for alpha D fructose and beta D fructose, and the cyclic structures of alpha beta fructoses are resembles with furan. This is the structure of furan. Right, this is the 5-membered ring. In the 5-membered ring, one is oxygen, remaining 4 are carbons. Here also one is oxygen, remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are carbons. So this is the 5-membered ring, this is the 5-membered ring. In the 5-membered ring, 4 are carbons, 1 is the oxygen. So the structure, the cyclic structures of alpha and beta fructoses are resembles with the furan structure. So its name is said to be fructofuranose. Similarly, in glucose, that is the alpha and beta form of glucose are resembles with furan. So that is said to be glucopyranose. Here the cyclic structures of alpha and beta form of fructose resembles with furan. So its name is given as fructopyranose. Fructopyranose. Now we can write alpha, write D minus fructopyranose, and similarly beta D minus fructopyranose. Right, we can write these structures. Okay, this is the O. Right. Right. So this is the 5-membered ring resembles furan, right? Here this is O, this is O, this is the first carbon, this is the first carbon, this is the first carbon, but this is second carbon, right? In the first carbon, we know that in our structure, so the right side of the substance in Pisser structure can be written below the plane in ring structure. If the left side of the substance in Pisser projection structure can be written above the plane of the ring structure, above the plane of the ring structure. Okay, now this is O, this O, next goes to this carbon, this carbon. So this OH is present on right side, that can be written below. Here the CH2OH that is present on left side, that can be written above the plane. CH2OH, CH2OH, right? And remaining H, this is present right, that is present left. So OH, that is also written bottom below the plane, and H can be written above the plane. And similarly the CH2OH is present on above the plane and H. So this is the alpha D minus fructopyranose. Now we can write beta D fructopyranose. Right, so this is O. Here the OH is present on right side, left side, that is taken as beta. Okay, or left side groups can be written top of the plane, above the plane. Here right side substance can be written below the plane of the ring. CH2OH, that can be written below the plane. This is OH, and HOH, and this is OH, HOH, H. This is CH2OH, that can be written top, and this is H. So this is the beta D minus fructopyranose. Okay, these are the Avot structures of two isomers, alpha and beta fructose. Next, these two are differentiated to second carbon. So in the second carbon OH is present on right side, that is taken as alpha. Here the OH is present in left side, that is taken as beta. So these two are the Avot structures of fructose. Next, now I am going to explain mutarotation of fructose. Mutarotation. Mutarotation of fructose. Right. So the alpha form, right, CH2, CH2OH, COH, COH, H, H, OH, H, CH2OH. So this is the alpha D minus fructofuranose or alpha D minus fructose, right. So this is the open chain structure of fructose, C double bond O, CH2OH, COH, H, CH, OH, H, OH, CH2OH. So this is the D minus fructose, D minus fructose, and here the OH is present on right side, that is the alpha. If the OH is present on left side, remaining carbons are same. So this is said to be beta D minus fructose. So its optical rotation, alpha D, optical rotation can be represented by, right, alpha D is equal 21 degree, and this is 133.5 degrees, and it is minus 92.4 degree. So these are the optical rotations. So these are the optical rotations of alpha D is 21 degrees. This is for beta 130 plus 133. These two are plus values, and beta 133.5 degrees for open chain structure. So this is the equilibrium mixture in aqueous solution that can shows minus 92.4 degrees. So this is the muta rotation of fructose. We know that muta rotation. What is that muta rotation? The phenomenon already says that in glucose also shows muta rotation, right. The phenomena of change in optical rotation either of alpha or beta form in aqueous, beta isomers in aqueous solution to equilibrium mixture, with equilibrium mixture to equilibrium mixture is known as okay, right, to that of equilibrium mixture. That means that optical rotation of that of equilibrium mixture is known as muta rotation. Once again, the phenomenon of change in optical rotation of either isomer of fructose in aqueous solution to that of equilibrium mixture. This is known as muta rotation of fructose. Next, this is fructose. I hope to clear this everyone. Please subscribe our channel.